Now let's explore sudo session management, which is important for security in shared environments. First, let's check current sudo session status. We'll type sudo-v echo $? So we get the expected output. This means this 0 means you have a valid sudo session. Now let's check sudo session timestamp. We'll type sudo -uppercase v grep -i timeout. Now let's create configuration with custom timeouts. So again, we'll create a file sudo with sudo -f etc sudoers.d. Let's name them session-management and add the following lines. We'll add a comment again, session management for different, let's add a space here, for different user types. And we'll add some defaults again. Defaults for, let's say, quick user, and we'll make timestamp timeout equivalent to 1 minute. Then we'll add defaults for, let's say, long user, and we'll make timestamp underscore timeout equivalent to 30 minutes, let's say. And we'll add one more defaults for secure session timestamp timeout equivalent to 0. And let's add one more section here for quick user on all servers as root all, long user on all servers as root all, and secure users on all servers as root all. Okay, let's save this document, this configuration file. Now let's create test users themselves with sudo add user quick user, then we'll add long user, and we'll add secure session, and we'll change passwords for them with echo in double quotes quick user 123 sudo change passwd, and we'll do the same for long user, and we'll do the same for the secure session. Right now let's test quick timeout, which is 1 minute. We'll sudo su-quick user. Let's clear the screen and run the following command: sudo who am I. Provide their password. Oops, something wrong with their password. Let's double check it. Let me exit this session, find the command for the quick user, and yes, I've made an extra space here, which is not allowed. And we'll do the same for secure session, and long user will be 1, 2, 3 as well. Again, let's get back to quick user and rerun sudo who am I, provide their password, their root. Now we'll need to wait for timeout and test again, so let's run the following command: sleep, let's say 65. I'll wait a bit, I'll press pause here and get back when this timeout is over. Okay, sleep time is over, and let's try running sudo who am I once more. And we are prompted for the sudo password again. So it's working as intended. Now let's test secure session with no timeout catching. Let me exit this session and go to secure session. Let's clear the screen and try running sudo who am I. We are asked for the password, and secure session is not in the sudoers file, meaning I've made a typo when creating this sudoers file. So let's exit, get back to this sudoers file, and as you can see, I've typed sudoers secure users. That should be secure session. Let's save it, get back to the session, and rerun who am I. We're asked for the password, and we can run it. And again, if we rerun this command, we are asked for the password again. So it requires password every time you run sudo command. Great, let me exit and clear the screen. And we are ready to continue.